Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about what stock we traded today, and I'll be showing you my live trade, and also we'll be doing the live market analysis. Okay, and I'll be showing you the client screenshot of profit and also the profit what we made today, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. So guys, yes, the time is almost 9 o'clock now, so 9:02. Okay, so the pre-open market is just opened, so let me just go to market data, pre-open market, and check how the market is today. So yes, pre-open market is now started, and as of now, as you can see, the market is opening in the gap up section. That is, the market is up now, 0.73% up, as you guys can see here. And advanced stocks of 47 and decline stocks of 1 and unchanged are 2 as of now at 9 o'clock. So once the pre-open market closes, we'll see how the market will be. So now let's quickly check out the indices which are in the event. So as you guys can see, the Nifty is now at 11,932 and 0.71% up. So PSU back in the event, Reality in the event, Pharma in the event, FMGC in the event, Nifty Bank and Nifty IT. So these are the indices which are in event. So let me see on what stocks I can trade today, and I'll be showing you my live trade whatever I take today. So guys, yes, the pre-open market is now closed and the market is opening at 0.86% up, so almost like 1% up today in the pre-open itself. And advanced stocks of 49 and decline is only 1, and there is no stock unchanged, that is 0 stock in unchanged. So let's see the stocks which are opening in the gap up, that is in the uptrend in pre-open market, are SBI, which is 2.18% up, Tata Motors is like 2.05% up, and Wipro is like 1.73% up. So I think there's only one stock which is a little bit of opening in the gap down session, that's only like 0.05% down, that is Zeal. Okay, so all the other stocks are in the upper trend itself. So let's see once the market open how it will be. So hoping today the market will be in an upper trend. So let's see on what stock we can trade today and what trades I can take today. So I'll update you my live trades whenever I take. Okay, so guys, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, and also if you're new to my stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to my stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what to get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick a stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what we did today. So guys, as you can see, the market is again back to 0.86% up as of now. Okay, so we are waiting for the Zeal to go up. So once it reaches to the higher level, I shall buy it. I'm planning to buy this around 203 or 203.50 like that. I'm still waiting for my level to enter. So once I enter, I'll update you guys. So guys, as you can see, ZEAL is not going up, so it's coming down. So I may take a short sell entry on the ZEAL right now, around 198 levels, but we'll see. If it's going down, I'll take a sell entry, or if it goes up, I'll take a buy entry. So the market is 0.84% up as of now, and it is again going to almost near 200. So we'll see what entry I can get today. So guys, as you can see, it's coming down now. Okay, so it is not touching my 203 or 203.50 to take my buy order. So hopefully I'll be short selling ZEAL in some time, and I'll update you guys once I short sell with the level. So guys, yes, around 198.50 I'll be short selling it. So yes, I'm in a short sell trade now. So yes, I'm waiting for it to go down. So 197 point, let me just check the low. 197.85 is a low made as of now, as you guys can see. So we are holding the short sell trade of ZEAL right now. We'll see how far this will go and how it will perform. So guys, yes, ZEAL at the end of the day, it made a low of 189.15. Okay, so it went all the way down by hitting all our targets, and I did book my target. I just booked 3 rupees of a profit in this stock, which is more than a 1%. And this was the call what was given to my client also. Even they were able to book the profit, and this was the profit what I were able to book today in today's trade of Zeal. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also guys, these are the profit what my clients were able to book today, and they shared the screenshot with me. So Zeal 2042 rupees profit, 6150 rupees profit, 26,000 rupees profit, and 2525 rupees profit. So these are the profit what we were able to book today in today's trade of Zeal. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.